Well, to the fellas out there, and some of you ladies too, you ever had one of those moments where you need a damn good toolbox to keep everything in place and order, rather than have a messy workbench? Well, I'll check out my little toolbox. You know what? I really do hate a messy workbench. I really do. There it is. That's my toolbox. All my tools in here. Even got a bloody vice in here. Screwdrivers, spinners, shifters, everything. Even my old mate in here. G'day, mate. So, yeah, good little toolbox that is. That's my little fire engine toolbox. Yeehaw! Alright, let's put this bad boy back. Jeez, has anyone got a forklift? Oh, bloody heavy. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.